My greetings to the correspondent, Mr. Fazlur Rahman Syed. My greetings to the principal, Dr. Mrs. Sana Ahmed. My greetings to the head of the department, Dr. V. Barakat. And my greetings to all the professors and assistant professors and lecturers of the Department of Corporate Secretariat and the Information Systems and Management. My greetings to all the student, department chairman, department secretary and department office bearers, and also all the students of corporate secretaryship and information system management. My greetings to all of you. I'm really delighted to inaugurate the Department of Corporate Secretaryship and Information Systems Management today. Certainly, it is a great happiness to meet all of you virtually after 2 years of lockdown. Even though all of you are going through virtually connected and virtually learning, certainly direct education versus virtual education, you may have got a combined knowledge, combined experience. Certainly it will give you a good positioning of yourself, because when the world is becoming gig worker, world is turning into a gig economy. When the world is turning into a gig economy, majority of the jobs suffice. Whether it is the service sector or manufacturing sector or industrial sector or retail sector or FMG sector or all these sectors with reference to manufacturing to service sector, everybody is now transforming their job role from that working environment to virtual working environment, office working environment to work from home environment. Instead of direct presence, your virtual presence. So the entire job profile, the way in which you work, the way in which you deliver, the way in which you execute are going to be completely transformed, because as quickly as possible, even though it has become the order of the day in the Western countries, India and other developing countries are experiencing a similar kind of a situation. The foreign issue and of opportunity for the youth of a two to three days a week. What are you company online working, corporate secretary, or it is a company secretary position. It is a professional course equivalent to the UG degree. Give you a much more attractive job profile. Will fetch you from 1.5 lakh to 10 lakh or 16 lakh or even 20 lakh per month. Those who practice with the NCLT or in the law tribunal, you may even earn to the tune of 1 crore per year. That is the kind of those who are so experience. That is the kind of the opportunity you have in your profile, in your job profile. It means it is the requirement. It is those who have the proper understanding of the company structure, statutory matters, and its legal provisions. And then how do you, the way, the depth of understanding that you have in the rules and regulations by the central government and the state government and the company related NCA or RCA, which will help you to do your job professionally, at the same time effectively, at the same time helping the company to grow, to go in the right path, to do the right business and to gain profit. That is your job profile. I hope all of you will understand better. Then focus on your studies, gain more depth, and refer the library, refer the journals, and update your knowledge regularly, and have a vision. If you have a vision, nothing will divert you. Once anybody who has a vision, no one can make you as a slave for any habit, for any behavior, for any kind of activity. You cannot, nobody can make you as a slave to any of the activities. Which will give you, the vision will give you your freedom, the vision will give you independence, the vision will make you competitive, the vision will help you to become a leader rather than a professional. Every one of you should have the vision to become a leader. A leader should have a vision. A leader should have a passion to transform the vision into vision. A leader should know how to walk into an unexplored path. A leader should know how to defeat the problem or succeed. A leader should practice transparency in each and every action. A leader should know how to give the success to your team members and accept the failure by yourself. A leader should know how to work with integrity and succeed with integrity. If you possess all these qualities of a leadership, then as a corporate secretaryship, you are the guiding light for the corporate. You are the guiding light for the company. You are the guiding light for the thousands of workers, thousands of the employees who believe on this company, who know how to swim through, how to navigate the challenges of the economical challenges, the social challenges, and the technological challenges the company is going to face. To all the three challenges, if you are able to foresee and ensure and helpful to the company, then certainly you are going to be the leader. Today the world is closing. Many companies, many automobile companies are closing down because of the economical challenges, the government tax challenges, and then the market challenges, and then the social, economical challenges, and then technological upgradation, and then market penetration. Means any company to survive, it is not the question of the production, it is a question of how competitive you are in meeting the demands of the world. How competitive you are in quality, how competitive you are in just in time into the market. When the market needs, how competent you are in making your company to be competitive, how competitive you are in providing affordable products and services. That is how you have to think overall. When you study corporate secretariat, it's not studying the formation of the company, studying the rules and regulations of how to form the company, how to adopt the statutory obligations, how to adopt the legal obligations. These are all the mandatory things that you have to understand. But apart from that, if you acquire the knowledge in making the company into a facing all the challenges, you understand the company, you understand the employee, you understand the product, you understand the market, that will give you a competitive leadership role in whatever the position that you are entering, in whatever the position that you are holding, in whatever the position that you are going to lead the company. This is how you go to have the quality of adaptability, the quality of agility, the quality of competitiveness, the quality of compassion, the quality of practicing culture of excellence in each and every activity that you do. That comes by practice, that comes by characteristics, that comes by the behavior. When you acquire all these kind of the behavior at SIT college, certainly this will help you to earn 20 lakhs per month to 1 crore per month per year. Okay, 20 lakhs per year to 1 crore per year. It means you have a great vision, you have a great path. Whatever may be the political turmoil, economical turmoil, whatever may be the, those do not worry about, but be aware, who are creating, whoever do not know how to manage this kind of political turmoil, whoever do not know how to manage the economical system, and whoever discuss the social system, social, economical, political justice, whoever discuss, you should be aware. That means they are going to disturb your future career too. You have to have that kind of an awareness. It is not a question of only the study. It is a question of the political awareness that you should have. You should take two nuclear reaction. Is a fusion reaction, another one is a fission reaction. Fission reaction is nothing but segregating or separating particles. But fusion reaction is going to merge the particles, going to connect the particles. Okay? The kind of energy, the fission reaction which is segregating or separating the particle is lesser than the kind of energy when you connect the atoms together. Sun is a fusion reaction, but all atomic power generation is a fission reaction. It means, dear friends, whether in your college, whether in your family, whether in the society, or in the governance, or in the country, the fusion of mind, the fusion of thought, the fusion of society, the fusion of human brain, the fusion of society, and the fusion of people is going to have a bigger role than the fission of people, than the fission reaction of segregating or separating the people based on their name, caste, religion, and united, you are going to have a great energy to give. That is very, very important for a company to get united, for a company to work for a vision of the company. Every individual, from the CEO to the few, from the CEO to the external suppliers of the company, from the CEO to the work center, from the CEO to the employee, everybody has to work with the fusion energy, not fission energy. That means the company secretary, corporate secretariat should have the capability to bring unity in diversity. You have to have a great role. You have to have a great knowledge in achieving this. Dear son, if you think the company, the corporate secretariat will fetch you a greater salary in India, even though because of the economic downfall, the industrial downfall, the downfall in manufacturing sector, the downfall in industrial sector, may not fetch the good amount of salary in India, but do not do so. Certainly, if you acquire some kind of you acquire a CMA in US, a CMA of a developed country system, certainly you will be having a greater opportunity to get a competitive salary in the US market, in the advanced, in the other countries, in the global countries. So from $60,000 to $200,000, you will be able to gain if you are able to clear CMA. Once you complete corporate secretaryship, nothing is going to stop if you don't get a job. Okay? Don't do short. Upgrade your skills, upgrade your knowledge, acquire CMA from foreign countries, because the global standards adopted in CA, the global standards adopted in managing the company are going to be global rather than individual country-based system. When the systems are transforming into a global system, you will be having a greater knowledge. You will be, if you acquire a greater knowledge, if you acquire a greater certification in the globally acclaimed degrees, then your path to success nobody can limit. The knowledge is borderless. How science is borderless, the knowledge is borderless. That means when the knowledge is borderless, you are beyond the boundaries of all the socio-economical boundaries set by the other practices which will limit yourself. If you have a vision, you have a dream. Dream is not the one which will come into your sleep, but the dream is the one which will not allow you to sleep. This is what Dr. Abdul Kalam said. Okay? So have a dream, have a great vision, and work for that vision. Okay? You should have a hard work. You should acquire the knowledge continuously. You have to defeat the problem and succeed, and practice the culture of excellence to realize your dream. Then certainly, dear friends, you will be able to overcome all the distractions by means of your mobile phone, by means of internet, by means of all the other social networking sites, and friends. Certainly friends are essential, social networking is essential, and Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, everything is essential. But nothing should make you slave to anything. Okay? If you have a vision, you will never be able to slave to anything, and you will be able to cross over all these things and be able to work for your vision, realize your dream, and then achieve success. My greetings to all of you friends. I wish you all success in your endeavor, in entering into SIT college. My greetings to the management, my greetings to the professors, my greetings to all the faculty members, principal, department HOD, and my greetings to all the students. Yes. My greetings of this and your group my
Thank you very much, sir, for providing valuable information on job market and knowledge about economics.
Very
much informative and also motivated. Thanks.
I echo Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. I quote. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver for the dignitaries and students assembled here. Our principal, vice principal,